Good morning. I am sitting in my office and I am just about to get some of my videos up into my YouTube stuff so that I can schedule them. This one's ready to go. And then over here, I'm working on my vlogs. I do my vlog and main channel on two different laptops. It's a whole thing. I really don't want it to be like that, but it's how I'm having to do it right now because I film with my iPhone for my vlogs, and then I film with this camera right here for my main channel, and both of them have different formats. So like this is an MP4 or MP3, MP4, and my iPhone is .mov, and so I have the same software but two different versions of it, and one of them, yeah, listen, you don't care. The plan for 2020 is to eventually get all new equipment, maybe even different camera equipment for my vlogs, but new laptop, maybe even new software. I'm not really sure, but something's got to change a little bit. Even though my editing is getting faster, I still feel like the laptops I have aren't equipped with the right memory space to perform such large files with editing. So anyway, technology stuff, no one cares. I really don't have much going on today. I'm gonna sit down for a second and look at my planner. So I did what I needed to do. So I filmed a video for Monday, and then I want to film a video for Tuesday, which is going to be Golden Girls is on TV, which is going to be, I want to decorate my bedroom. So that's on the to-do list today too. All right, I think it's time for me to make a snack. I'm basically making, why do I say that? I annoy myself when I use words like that, basically. Well, you either are or you aren't, right? I am making some of these Martha White muffins. I'm showing them to you here because I already threw away the packaging, but I did a triple berry one. So here they are. Yeah, so I get blueberry, I get the strawberry, which you saw, but then I also get a triple berry, which is a favorite of mine. So I'm waiting to pop these into the oven, waiting for it to get to 350. Here are some things that I've pulled out from my butler's pantry that I just never ended up grabbing for or needing, and I've had it for quite some time, so I'm going to donate them. So this party pack of napkins in red, and these plastic tongs, and then these Christmas snowflake ones. I ended up using the other one, the one that had like the poinsettia, and then the Cool Gear, which I know, like I feel like I should use this. If anything, I should keep this because I do need Tupperware, but like these I never ended up using. They're the travel tubes. I'm probably gonna regret this, but yeah, just didn't end up using any of this. And then the Stay Fit protein shaker I never ended up using either. Such a good find at Dollar Tree, and I love it, but listen, didn't end up grabbing for it. So here is what, again, my attempted, or I was going through this whole section, which is the butler's pantry. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to pack all of this stuff because I am taking all of my decor. It's a china set that my grandmother gave to me that I remember having in our house as a child, so I'm really happy I have those. And then this is some stuff that I pulled out from the drawers, but not all the drawers are empty. Like I still have stuff that I'm gonna use, like the what do you call it? Those. My mind's all over the place. I found my placemats, so I'm keeping all of those. These are all of my to-go cups that I bought from like Home Goods, TJ Maxx, such good finds, and I'm definitely keeping those. Found some of my extra mugs, like all the Star Wars ones. These are from Dollar Tree. Is that not nuts? Yeah. So all of those I'm keeping. Here's another one back here. Darth Vader, keeping that. This is just my chips. And it's funny because I found the cookie cutters. And what's crazy, this is the worst part out of all of this. So for Christmas, my daughter and I made cookies, but I couldn't find these cookie cutters, and I knew I had them. And I even checked, because I was like, it's in this drawer, it's in this top drawer, and it was like right here in the corner. Never saw it. And I checked multiple times too. That makes it even worse. So yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, I still have stuff in here. Still have stuff in here. And then I have like extra decor and stuff that I need to go through. But this was just like my startup, you know, of getting things ready. So I basically cleaned out this whole set. And then I still have stuff in here too. And then I cleaned out the bottom drawer. I just showed that drawer. And then I have this. These are so cool. When I found those at Dollar Tree, I was just like, oh my Lord. These, I use the cotton balls to soak up the wax melts. That's the name of it. Yeah, so you can see I usually keep them in this little Dollar Tree container. So I just basically need to fill it up with some more of these, which I guess I can go ahead and do now. It's a really great way to soak up wax melts, especially if you're not going to recycle it, because I think they lose their scent after a while. So I don't typically recycle the wax, so I just use a cotton ball to soak it up. Isn't that cute? Like a little, I mean, I want to organize this better when I move. Like I really want like gorgeous organizing. But for now that's not bad. All right, the oven just beeped. So we're gonna pop some muffins in. So yeah, haven't gotten to my bedroom yet. I had to make some phone calls. I saw a weird charge on my bank account for Amazon like Prime Video, and I was just like, I haven't bought any movies, and so I called them, and turns out it was like an HBO subscription because they have like channels, and I was just like, I don't think so. So they refunded it and then canceled the whole HBO thing, and yeah, so had to make that call. And here's the dog. She's really sensitive about her ears on the inside. I've noticed that. Even like when I rub her, like on the inside, I don't know if she likes it or loves it. Like I can't tell. My dog before her loved it, but with Loxy, I just don't know. So I rub her like on the outside of her ear, but not like, you know, on the inside. Anyway. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the muffins. I'm gonna watch Golden Girls. They're doing the conga in Miami. That's just goals, you know?
Sounds like fun. I haven't played footsie in years. Charlie never won.